I'm trying to finish this gallon of water here. So I want to share my results and my insight into what Valentina's 8-week challenge was actually like. It far surpassed my expectations. Even getting the program, looking at the diet plan and looking at the actual workout plan, I was shocked. I spent the money. It was $100 US to get the program. I just didn't think that it was going to be this good. I thought it would be 20 minutes workout, a general guide on what you should be eating. It was so much more than that. It was so precise, so detailed. The workouts were unreal. For me, it took me about 45 to 55 minutes to finish each day. It's great that she incorporates a core workout in the beginning so that, you know, your whole body is just ready to go. The thing that I really enjoyed was a 15-minute HIIT cardio workout at the end of your workout, which really just gasses you. But the HIIT cardio is so key. You feel so energized after your workout's over. So Valentina and her team were really awesome. I've been in contact with Valentina specifically throughout this whole process, and she's been unbelievable. There were some things that I wanted to switch around in terms of like the scheduling of the workouts, questions about the food, macros, and all that stuff, and she was so on top of it and so positive. I can only imagine that a trainer such as herself, who has such a massive following, she's got, I think now 2 million followers on Instagram. How? And is running these programs, is freaking busy. She also has her own clothing line and she's doing her thing. I commend her for that. But it's amazing that she's been able to help so many people and transform their bodies and their minds. I'm going to show you Valentina right now because she definitely deserves this credit. So I'm just gonna hop on Instagram right here and I'm gonna show you who this girl is. Her body is banging as so you just can't hate. To be honest, like she's got a lot of really good information on here and a lot of really great workouts on here. Even if you didn't buy her program, I mean, if you just followed her, you could probably come up with your own. And she's got it together, you know. She's got her little clothing thing here, Mina Sportswear, which is pretty dope. Loving this set right there. Hopefully I can get one of those soon, you know. And it's great too because you can see here she's got her clients. These before and afters are really great. I mean, you cannot deny that her program is good. I'm not hating on anybody's progress, but sometimes I see some of these trainers, I see their clients before and afters, and I just think to myself, like, what are you telling them to eat? What are they, like, is your program? Like, I'm not really seeing this kind of progress that I see on Valentina's page. I'm just not. I was sold, and that is why I got on it. What I've learned about my eating habits is that they weren't that great. All of my weight was just sitting in my stomach. But I just said to myself, like, well, these are the healthy options, girl. You can eat those. You can eat it every day. Nothing is gonna happen to your body. I was just feeling sluggish. So when I saw that Valentina was doing the challenge, and I've been following this girl for a long time, I just said, you know what, F it. I'm gonna buy into this challenge. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see how it goes. And honestly, my body turned around. There was a little bit of an incentive. She was giving away 3 top prizes. The first prize for the best transformation was $3,000. The second prize was $1,000. Third prize was $500. That incentivized me to be like, just try to win it. And if you don't win it, what is the worst thing that's gonna happen? Actually, nothing bad's gonna happen. Your body and your mind is gonna feel amazing, and you are going to feel so much better if you just try. One of the things that I had to do during this program that I had never done before was carb cycling. Now, on my high carb days, I'd have 200 grams of carbs, and on my low carb days, I'd have 115 grams of carbs. I worked it so that my high carb days were the days that I were leg heavy, because I find myself to be more depleted physically when I'm doing my legs, because those are the biggest muscles in your body anyways. Your body needs more energy. The way that it worked was Your off days are the days that you have to eat low carb. You don't want to be eating high carbs on days where you're not active. You also can't have your high carb days back to back. And your high carb day, your macro split is also different for your protein and your fat than it was on your low carb day. So everything just worked out really, really well. I really, really enjoyed that, and I'm going 100% to continue doing that. That was something that I had never done before, and I enjoyed the way that I felt after I would have a really heavy leg workout and then be able to eat a little bit more carbs. It was great. I really am now turning my eating habits around into what she had presented to me as being the best option for me to get the fittest that I want to be, and it has worked. The other thing that I actually didn't really, I guess, not that I didn't know it, but I just didn't implement it. I wasn't drinking enough water. Even in the first week that I did the program, I will admit I did not drink enough water. Even though she told me you need to drink a gallon of water a day, I actually thought that the little freaking puny water bottle that I had, I was like, oh, okay, I'll have like 2, maybe 3 of those a day and I'll be fine. I wasn't even clearing close to as much water as I should have been drinking. While I was working out, I was realizing that I wasn't hitting my full potential on some moves and some exercises. When I started drinking a gallon of water a day, I actually physically felt better. I am definitely going to be continuing to drink a gallon of water a day while I'm working out, but even on my days off, I still drink a gallon of water a day. When you start eating properly and you're working out properly and you're hydrating yourself, you are going to physically feel so much better. I think that the best part of the program was the meal plan. It was incredibly comprehensive, so well put together, and so easy to follow. I remember initially looking at the meal plan and being like, I'm gonna need a little bit more food than that girl. But when I actually cooked everything and was eating throughout the day, like the first 3 or 4 days, I literally could not finish my food. I was full. I was so full. I was maxed out. I was like, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna eat all of this food. I just remember being like, shit, like I thought that I was not gonna be eating enough. Like looking at this, I thought like this is a joke. No, it actually filled me so much. I got to eat the things that I really enjoyed. Part of it too is 2 shakes a day, and I love protein shakes, like love protein shakes. So I was really, really happy about that. If there's something in your diet plan that you don't necessarily want to eat, she also has a conversion chart so you can see what you can swap in and out, and a very, very easy to understand equation to figure out, you know, how many ounces for one thing you can have for the other. And that was really awesome. The other best part, because all of them were great, is that you actually have 2 different programs, essentially in the 8 weeks, because the first 4 weeks is 1 program for working out and 1 meal plan, and then the last 4 weeks is a completely separate one. So I really felt like I got 2 programs, which was really awesome, and it challenged me in different ways. And the first 4 weeks, there was one day where you do 5 sets of everything, and that was hard. It was hard because my mind didn't want to do 5 sets. I was like, no, nobody does 5 sets. This is nuts. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. The second round of workouts, there was nothing on there that was 5 sets, but I was so much stronger and doing heavier weights that it was like, it was great. When the pandemic whole situation happened, and here where I am, we can't go to the gym anymore, I emailed her and she sent me 5 days of at-home workouts, which is like unreal. That was probably something that she had to do for everybody and had to do it kind of quick, but I definitely just needed a routine and a plan that was tweaked for me. When you are filling out your questionnaire in the beginning, she asks you, what on your body do you want to change? What is it that you want to work on? Mine was my bum and my tummy. My plan was like that. I don't think everybody's plans were the same. Those plans were tailored to you based on the things that you put in your questionnaire, which is fantastic, because when you're doing a challenge that large, you would think that it wouldn't be as tailored to the clients. It would be tailored to the general populace. But I really felt like my program was tailored to me. That was great because the results that I got were the results that I was looking for. I'm so happy that I did it. Valentina, like, thank you so much for putting this program together because it was phenomenal. And I am literally going to be using this for the rest of the year. What you were able to give and the value, like the $100 was nothing in comparison to the value that I got out of the program. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So if you don't know who Valentina is, definitely go check her out. And if you were thinking about doing Valentina's challenge and you watched this video to hear a testimonial, do it. Please do it. She is a great trainer. The long-term knowledge that you'll have from doing this is going to be very beneficial to you. I really hope that everything that I said gets you on board with her because it is going to help you and you're going to be so happy that you signed up for her challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I come out with a new video. Have a wonderful day and I will see you later. Bye. Can I do? Oh my. Ah.